Today we've got the Daniel Smith Floral set of 6 colors. This is for cottage gardens to botanicals. I guess if you're going to be painting springtime, fall time, anytime outdoors, the colors of nature, these 6 colors have been selected for you. Now, the nice thing about these sets of 6 is, even though there's only 6 colors, it comes in a small carrying case with 9 empty pans around it, so you can pick and choose the specific colors that you might want to add as you expand your palette. So let's take a look inside and see what comes in the box. So if you haven't seen any of our unboxings of the Daniel Smith before, you will notice this I'm Unique label that they've included. And the reason they include this is because when you open a mass-made half pan set or whole pan set, you find them to be very uniform and very clean and inserted in the pan. But because of the unique way that the Daniel Smith sets are made, this handmade 3-pour step process, the pans don't always have that uniform to it. So this is kind of like a disclaimer, but always go through that. Be assured that every pan has undergone multiple rigorous quality control processes and only passes if it meets density regardless of the final shape. So we have that, and we'll just peel that off, and along with the adhesive that comes with it. And then I'll show you this paperwork that's included. And this actually has a nice little diagram kind of explaining their pouring process. And because of this pouring process, you can replicate this at home when you make your own using their tube color, because the half pans started as their tube color, and then doing this 3-pour process, they get to the half pan in this drier state. Now, I say drier state and not dry state because, and let me just open this for you so you can see. These pans, and you can kind of get a feel for how, these were hand poured. There's going to be these little minor imperfections. I think personally it adds charm. They're a little tacky. Now, I just opened this box. These have not been wet. This has probably been sitting for, I don't know, weeks if not months, and it retains this tackiness to it, which helps the colors really re-wet quickly, which I like. So without further ado, let's lay these colors out and see what they look like on paper. Wow, look at those colors. The intensity of that phthalo blue is strong, and I love these two different, because these are the shades of green. Sometimes when you're just looking at a field, you just see overwhelming green, but there are these subtle differences, and because of this phthalo blue, we'll be able to mix multiple shades of really nice greens for this set, while still having those pops of color that come out in the spring and fall especially. So this was the Floral set, all right, and you can just see how compact that is. Again, it includes 9 additional empty, now these aren't just wells, these are full half pans that can be taken out, removed, and placed back. And I always like to show a little travel kit because this is really, it's so ideal for travel. We've got a Reflections watercolor journal here. They lie very flat, nice cold press watercolor paper. Have your pocket in the back for any things that you pick up when you travel. Now we're going to make 2 different kits here, and you can click links in either the description below or the box that's in the top right hand corner of the screen. We're going to have this with the Daniel Smith Floral set of 6 with an Aquastroke Go brush, which is a water brush. And we're going to make a second kit that, instead of the Aquastroke Go, has this beautiful Mimic Kolinsky travel brush set. Now this is really nice. And I'll open this up for you guys so you can see. This includes 4 different sizes, from a size 4 to a size 12, and just really how large that is. Well made, fits nice in the hand. Premium quality synthetic Kolinsky hair. This is really the highest end you can get with a synthetic Kolinsky hair. So it's also completely animal friendly in that. So we'll have it with the Aquastroke Go or with the Mimic Kolinsky travel set, and that's all it takes, just that much space, and you can do art just about anywhere.